This demonstration lets students see why weather people on TV spend so much time talking about areas of high and low pressure. To start, you will need a big glass jar. You also need a punch ball balloon. I purchased these at a dollar store. Keep the balloons away from students in case anyone is allergic to latex. Using scissors, cut the balloon as shown here. Next, pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol into the jar and shake it vigorously for about 15 seconds to put lots of alcohol vapor into the air. So the cloud that we're going to make in this demonstration is actually an alcohol cloud. We're cheating a little bit. Now the dangerous part. Students, if you're watching, do not do this at home. Light a match, blow it out, make sure it's out. Using tongs and wearing goggles, carefully move the extinguished match around in the jar to get a little smoke inside. The smoke will provide condensation nuclei for the cloud. Next, wipe off the rim of the jar with a cloth and then place the balloon over the opening as shown here. I put the little figurine in the backs so you can have a reference point. The balloon will be used to compress and expand the air inside the jar. When you push down, air in the jar is compressed, making it slightly warmer. This is high pressure. Then as you pull up on the balloon, this expansion causes the air inside to cool slightly. This is low pressure. So here's what it looks like with the room lights on. Now we've shut the room lights off and the overhead projector is on, and you can see high pressure, warming by compression, clear skies, because the air inside is warmer than the dew point. As we lift up, that causes low pressure. The air inside expands, becomes slightly cooler, and the alcohol vapor changes into liquid alcohol droplets as the alcohol condenses on the smoke particles. Low pressure, high pressure. Condensation happens because we are colder than the dew point, warmer than the dew point, and the cloud droplets evaporate. So on days when the air in your area is rising, this causes lower pressure. If there's enough humidity in the air, clouds will form as the vapor condenses on particles such as dust, smoke, and pollutants. Then on days when the pressure is high, the air in your area is sinking, skies tend to be clear.